I'm bringing you a quick review of the newest release from the House of Argos, Sacred Flame. Now, my thoughts and opinions are mine only, but what I'm saying is this fragrance is wonderful. You're looking at a wonderful peach tea-like opening mixed in with a couple of spices that do not overstep itself. It feels very zen-like, very harmonious. You get this wonderful bark note mixed in with light florals that give it a little bit more backbone, and it kind of develops almost into a tobacco-like type of feel with this fragrance. It's very smooth, just like you would expect from an Argos, and a wonderful dry down with the sweetness, the resinous type of sweetness mixed with the amber, vanilla, tonka bean is absolutely wonderful for a cozy setting, an intimate setting. Sacred Flame is a banger. I will be coming out with a full review on YouTube, so make sure you follow, make sure you subscribe, and like the content.